Good morning, YouTube. Surly Girl here. In this video, we're just going to do a quick little review of what I got in my bags. Just a quick overview. We'll start off in the back. In the back, I got my tent body and the tent rain fly and the footprint and rain gear on one side. All my extra clothes in the other. Off the bike clothes, on the bike clothes. You know, second pair of everything. In the frame bag, I got my pump, all stuff to change tires, spare tube, maintenance stuff, any layers I want to put on while riding so I don't have to go into the bags. In the front, I got all my cooking on the left side here, and on the right side I got all my food. Now on the front I got the tent poles, and in the bag I have my down quilt, my sleeping pad, pillow, and poofy jacket. Chuck bucket is for, of course, all the food I'm going to eat while riding, and my phone. Got my light and the Bryton 10 GPS computer. Just a quick overview, and thanks for watching. Most of my gear you can find in the link at the bottom if you're interested in knowing exactly what they are.